guys, welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. It is Thursday today, starting this vlog late, and I'm currently in the middle of decluttering my wardrobe, which got to the point where you're like, okay, I'm fed up now, I've had enough, I want to give up. I've got rid of so much, but my wardrobe still looks full. I've still got to do all of this. These are bits I want to try on, and this is all stuff I'm getting rid of, so much stuff. But somehow my wardrobe still looks full, which is a bit demoralising. But I am having an interval. I'm going to do a workout with my mate. It's 11:30. I've been going at this for ages. So yeah, I'm going to do a workout and then have some lunch, and then hopefully I'll be motivated enough to get back into it. Also, doing a workout in a full face of makeup with a red lip. It's not ideal. I think it's these leggings. These leggings are amazing. That workout was really hard. We felt like we were getting better and stronger, so we decided to do 6 exercises, 5 rounds of 6 exercises instead of 5 exercises of 5. So yeah, it was very difficult. Plus on the period as well. Oh, that reminds me, I've been really excited about getting this period, because that sounds so stupid, but it's because I treated myself to some new period pants. I have 3 from a job I did with Modibody 2 years ago, and every period they're like the things that give me the most joy. I cannot express how lovely it is to wear normal pants and knickers and still feel a little bit sexy even though I am bleeding. So yeah, I treated myself to some new Modibody pants, and I'm so happy with them. I got the classic bikini. This is heavy and overnight, so it can hold a lot more. I also got the Sensual full brief and the classic brief. These are both light and moderate. I got these for the last 2 days of my period, but I'm wearing these ones now. The classic bikini. Is it weird if I show you my knickers? They look like this, and they are so comfy and sexy and smart, and I love them. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of Modibody and period pants, and they are expensive. They're like £20 each, but I did have a code left over from when I did the job with them, which gets 10% off, and I used that code on myself. This isn't sponsored, I just wanted to show you because I love them. And it's I can't use tampons. God, I'm really going into detail about my period, aren't I? Can't use tampons, so these are so much better than pads and better for the environment. So yes, I'm gonna make some lunch now. I'm still sweating. Okay, so wardrobe declutter is mostly done. I do want to downsize more in a couple of months when I've seen what I wear and what I haven't. But if you want to see the full video, stay tuned, because that'll be coming up soon. We're going to cook some dinner now. We're kind of like on the last dregs of stuff until we get our food shop delivery on Sunday, but it's only Thursday today. So takeaways, yeah. Tonight we're using up the last bits we have. Chicken fillets, broccoli, and we've got some noodles that we were going to do with some miso paste and ginger, because that's what we got left over in our fridge from another meal. Maybe some garlic as well, do you reckon? So broccoli, noodles, and some really pale looking chicken with some ginger on top. Hey guys, hope you're all well. I wasn't going to vlog today. I don't know why, just wasn't gonna, but I might as well. It's Friday. We're gonna go get some lunch from a cafe today, which will be so lovely. Also, my neighbours just text saying that they've baked some Rice Krispie cakes and left them outside our front door. So it's turning out to be a very good Friday. Also, it's my mum's birthday today, so we are going this evening to sit in her garden. I can't wait. So we went to a little cafe shop for some lunch, and we got this humongous focaccia chicken escalope sandwich. Oh my god, so good. This is only half of it and it's huge. Look at this, which was left on our doorstep. How cute. Yeah. We're sitting in my parents' garden. Social distance.
Yeah.
Drinking. My mum's opening her birthday present.
Right, I'm in there.
Morning, it is Saturday. We are up, showered and dressed. Today we're going for a walk back to Liverpool Street to pick up G's new glasses. It's really cloudy out. It's not going to be like an amazing walk, but I do want to get my body moving because we haven't been for a walk since last week, and I want to keep my fitness levels up. But for breakfast we're making an omelette. This is like the healthiest breakfast I think we've ever done. Got some onions and red peppers, and we've got some tomatoes and mushrooms frying, all for the eggs are so confusing. Why is this so big? Oh my god, that's huge.
It's like a slice, like a pizza.
Yeah.
What slice do you want?
Oh my god. Nice pizza slice of an omelette for brunch. I haven't vlogged all day, but we didn't walk to Central in the end. We drove because it was just really looked like it was gonna rain, and we had stuff to do at the flat. So we came back and tidied. Now we've got a takeaway for dinner from a local Italian place. I have like a scallop pasta and it's huge focaccia garlic bread. Look how big that is. Dinner was lovely. I am in mood for a cocktail now though. I really fancy an old fashioned. And we don't have any orange, but I do have Cointreau. And I've got glacier cherries, which I'm really excited about using. So I found a recipe for a cocktail called Betsy's Old Fashioned Manhattan. This is a variation on the classic Manhattan that I developed because I also like the old fashioned cocktail. Ice cubes, bitters, bourbon, orange flavoured liqueur, cherries and cherry juice.
What's this?
It's a Betsy's Old Fashioned Manhattan. Oh. Sunday morning, well 11:30 now. My friends and I are doing another HIIT workout today. This is my 5th exercise of the week, and I mean some of them have only been like 10-20 minutes, but still I think that's quite good. I'm feeling good about myself this morning, which is nice. Also so glad I managed to tidy the flat a little bit yesterday, because this room just feels so much bigger now. For lunch, I'm having porridge with honey, and we're going to watch the final of Glow Up, which I'm so excited about. Okay, our food shop just came, so I thought I'd show you guys what we got for the week before we disinfect and put it all away. Trying to be healthy this week, so I was super excited to find this decaf Yorkshire brew bedtime tea. This has got vanilla and nutmeg in, and I think that sounds really nice. I also got options hot chocolate for the evenings, bleach and fly spray, and some bay eggs, oat milk, saucy sauce and ketchup, as we're running out of both. And I got some balsamic vinegar dressing, which I think will be really nice on some salads. Some thin bagels, some wheat wraps. We're going to have chicken fajitas at some point, and the bagels are for cream cheese, and we've got some smoked salmon as well, and like tomatoes and stuff, which might make a nice lunch. Got some chopped tomatoes, almonds, loads of Coke Zero, loads of bananas as well because I want to start making some smoothies. Some rice, lentils, pears, loads of Vimto, and then cold stuff. We've got some chips, green beans, and Nduja ravioli. We've got some cod fillets because we're going to do the pancetta cod at some point this week. Chia seeds because I know that they're really good for you. I got a couple of ice creams. I need to put these in the fridge because they're melting, but this is good for you ice cream, not that many calories. Chocolate and hazelnut, and I also got a hazelnut chocolate cookie one which is vegan. I'm gonna put those in the freezer quickly. I got some vegan burgers and some pasta sauce for our ravioli, salad and spinach, peppers, mozzarella, loads of tomatoes, got some coriander, chicken, eggs, yogurt. Got a whole spatchcock which I think we'll probably have for dinner tonight, and some blueberries. So yeah, I did some recipe searching earlier when I placed this food order, and I found some nice like healthy light salady lunchy bits which I'm looking forward to making. Ooh, that is sunny. I've come for another social distance walk with my parents. We're sitting next to a canal and I made up a booze concoction. It has 5 different alcohols in and some cherries in it, and they're going to try and guess what's in here. My dad's bought receipt. What is this? Oh my god, that's so cute. Purity plastic shot glasses, so they are COVID friendly. There is a fish in there. Home now, and we've just cooked dinner. Smoked pancetta cod with lentils and spinach. This is definitely one of our fave meals, I think, at the moment. We have been watching a program on Netflix called, I think it's called The Big Flower Fight. Oh my god, it's so good. It's like Bake Off but with flowers and like massive huge garden sculptures. It is amazing. We love it so much. I'm gonna go to bed now, ready for an early start tomorrow, new start of the week. I have some such exciting news coming up soon in 40 days time. Something so exciting is happening and I'm literally buzzing for it, but I'm going to keep it a secret until then. But yeah, 15th of August. Can anyone guess what they think might be happening? I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm sorry to be annoying. Hey guys, it's Monday. I'm having a no makeup day today because I want to give my skin a bit of a breathe. My skin's really good at the moment. I need to show you what that is down to, apart from that one spot there, which is only there because I keep picking it. For lunch, we're gonna have thin bagels and cream cheese and tomatoes. This is lunch, smoked salmon and a tomato. Delicious. We have a new flower delivery. Oh, this is such a highlight of the week. This week we have strawberries and cream, lilies and roses. I'm still positive the only thing I ever vlog about these days is food. It's because there's literally nothing else to do in the days when I'm not working but eat. We cooked our spatchcock peri chicken with some chips and carrots and broccoli. Ooh. We should definitely talk condiments at some point. What is everyone's favourite condiment? Mine is saucy sauce. It's mayo and ketchup mixed together. I also love a bit of Péronaise. I love anything like orange sauce. It's great. Forgot to show you the meal. This is it, chicken. Okay, I promised I would tell you guys about what has been making my skin really nice recently. It is a combination of a couple of things. The first is water. I've been drinking a lot more water recently because I've been exercising and it makes me feel really healthy. I've never been a water drinker ever, but recently I have been, and it has been paying off. I do love a bit of squash. I just think it makes drinking water so much more enjoyable. I've been loving Vimto recently. And then the second thing is this, which I use on and off all the time. It's the Ren Glow Tonic, and I use it with a a, what's this called? Reusable cotton pad, and I just sweep it over my face in the evening like 3 times a week, and it's just really helped with like clearing my skin, making it glowy. I have worked with Rand before, but this isn't sponsored, but I do have a discount code if you guys did want to pick it up. I've got some good before and afters actually. I'm gonna post, I can put in here, but it's like one of those products, you know, you can rely on to actually help your skin, so I've been loving that. I also have a couple of moisturisers I can show you which have been helping. Firstly, this, I talk about this all the time. It's the Kiehl's Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. It's for blemish prone skin, and it's basically like a serum that I put on every evening. I don't rub it into my skin, I pat it into my skin, and every morning my skin is so much clearer. I really love it. And then also this Ren Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. I've done before and afters with this as well. It's amazing. It really just takes away all redness left over from acne scarring, which, like, my skin is so pale, so my acne scars do last a while, like they're really red and prominent for a while, but I use that in the evening and it really helps. So yeah, I think you can use my discount code on this as well, I think, but it's worth doing before it runs out. I think it runs out mid-August, so if you've got any Ren stuff to stock up on, that'll be handy. I'm going to end this vlog now, but I will see you next week for another fun weekly vlog. Something really cool is happening on Wednesday, which I'm going to vlog. My mum booked us tickets to a drive-in cinema, like the perfect social distancing excuse to be able to go and watch a film in a car, like the old-fashioned American days. It just sounds really fun. So yeah, we're doing that on Wednesday and I'll vlog it. I love you guys lots.